Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PayPal business account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you check your PayPal business API access list? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check the list of apps that have API access to your PayPal business anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you know that sometimes in order to accept payments from certain websites, you need to give them API access to your PayPal business account, but maybe you forgot who's on the list, or maybe you want to check that a certain app is not on the list. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PayPal business account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PayPal business account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to check which apps have access to your PayPal business API, click up here on the top right, Developer. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the PayPal developer dashboard, and you just want to scroll down until you see this button here, API credentials. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the apps that have access to your API. You can see right here, for example, I have Calendly and Beacons. So this way you can determine if you want them to still have API access to your PayPal business. If not, you can easily just click on these three dots here to the right and then remove API access to your PayPal business. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check your API approved list in your PayPal business account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.